Today I'm creating a custom acrylic nail business sign from start to finish using layered acrylic and precision laser cutting. We'll be designing, cutting, assembling, and bringing this sign to life so you can see how professional a laser-made sign can look. Whether you're making products for clients or building your own brand, custom signage is one of the most popular and profitable products that you can offer. Let's get started. When you buy a machine from us, you'll get access to the MaxLaser Academy, where we teach you how to create designs and get the most out of your machine. To create the framework, I started by selecting all the layers that needed to fit together like a puzzle. Using the contour tool, I generated an outer boundary and adjusted it to the size I wanted. Once the contour was created, I broke it apart from the original layers, ungrouped everything, and combined the contour pieces into a single shape. Next, I took the base layer, which defines the overall outline of the design, and used it to trim the contour sections. This gave me clean, precise pieces that fit perfectly within the framework. After trimming, I applied the desired color to these sections. Finally, I welded the colored contour pieces to the contour outlines of the text and hand elements, creating a solid framework that not only holds the design together, but also acts as a guide for assembling all the layers accurately. Next, I contour the text and break the contour apart. The contour creates a border around the letters, which I then weld into the main framework. By welding these contour outlines into the framework, the entire frame cuts as a single piece. This creates pockets for each letter and design element, allowing them to fit back into place like a puzzle during assembly. I repeat this process for the remaining elements, such as the hands and decorative details, welding their contour outlines into the framework as well. The result is a custom assembly frame that keeps every layer perfectly aligned, making the final glue up much faster and more accurate. that's the finished acrylic nail business sign. Projects like this are a great example of why laser businesses can be so profitable. Custom signs have a high perceived value, they're always in demand from small businesses, and once you've mastered the process, they're quick and repeatable to produce. All the materials used in this project are available from MaxLaser, and if you've been thinking about starting a side hustle or launching a small business, or even expanding your product range, MaxLaser can help you get started. Contact MaxLaser to book a live machine demonstration and see the laser in action for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll check you in the next one.